my pleasure to talk to you about some of the new features coming on the AccuVix XG. These include 4 separate things. There's the Smart Filter Volume Imaging, SFVI. We also have FAD, which is Face Auto Detection, Volume Shade Imaging, VSI, and there's also an enhancement to Magic Cut, which we now call Smooth Cut. SFVI, Smart Filter Volume Imaging. This technology is actually broken into 2 parts. There's a clear SFVI and a detailed SFVI. These technologies are to enhance the rendered image. So you have your 3D rendered image, and many times that image can be either obscured due to some artifact within the image. It's not a clear image due to the patient or the position of the fetus. Clear SFVI is a single touch. You push this one button and it removes this artifact that's in the fluid that's obscuring the data that you want to see. So with one button, clear SFVI removes this obstruction and you can see a nice, very clear rendered image behind. Detailed SFVI can be used either independently or with clear SFVI. So detailed SFVI will allow additional shading and shows borders of subtle structures much better within your volume data set. So it can help pull out subtle structures like the fetal fingers, perhaps detail on the fetal face that may be difficult to see. Again, one button push optimizes your 3D rendered images.
Okay, great.
FAD, Face Auto Detection. This is, again, for me, it's an exciting technology. You can get a 3D volume of the fetal face, and many times you have an arm in the way or perhaps umbilical cord or some other structure that's covering the face. With Face Auto Detection, you push the one button and it automatically removes this obstruction that's in front of the fetal face, providing a clear view of the anatomy behind. VSI, Volume Shade Imaging. Again, this is a rendering tool that provides additional depth perception to your volume. Volume Shade Imaging. We have had different chroma maps in the past, but the addition of volume shade imaging will now segment how deep the structure is and will display a different color the deeper that you go back into the structure. There are 5 different chroma maps associated with this to make a more realistic 3D rendering. And again, with the additional depth perception, can help pull out subtle differentiation, subtle structures within your volume. Smooth Cut, it's the last thing, but I also think it's one of the easiest tools for our users to use. It's a function of Magic Cut. So you would go into your Magic Cut option, select Smooth Cut, and it will magically just kind of wave the cursor over top the area, and it removes the structures that are obscuring it. It does not cut all the way through the volume, it just removes what's in front of the area that you want to see. If by mistake you have removed too much, you can also recover this data, again, just by rolling it right over the structure that you're looking for. Easy operation to get better quality volumes.